morning, guys. You can see the windows are frosted. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it is morning day. So morning day, it is moving day. I am so tired. I didn't really get much sleep last night. It is officially moving day. So right now I'm just going to meet Justin and we're gonna go clean the apartment and everything because we can't rent our U-Haul truck until 4, so we can't move big stuff until 4. We do have some little boxes, but we're gonna really clean the place so it's ready when we move our furniture in. So I'm on my way to meet him. I was probably supposed to meet him a good 30 minutes ago, but I slept in a little bit. So yeah, it is moving day. We got a lot going on. Let's get started with this vlog. So we're in the condo and I just bought some cleaning supplies and we're gonna start cleaning. Yeah, we just have to clean everything. I just wanna wipe down everything to make it a little better.
It's my favorite part of it all, when you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied, Disney bona fide. And so are all of you.
So we have the U-Haul. We're on the way to my house to get my boxes and my stuff if we have a couch, and then we're gonna go to Justin's house, pick up his stuff where the most of it is, and then go to our new place and finally move in. And it's dark right now. It's already like 4:45. So we're starting a little late. Say hi, babe. Say hi to my people. This is the mystery man. They've all been waiting to meet you. Special guest. The guest.
Greetings, Earthlings.
Okay, so we're gonna get a move on, and I will catch you guys later. Check in with you guys. Hey guys, so I kind of combined day 2 and 3 of Vlogmas. This is like a 2-day vlog. So today is the first day in our new house, which is technically day 3 of Vlogmas. Today I'm gonna be doing some cleaning little bits and then also just organizing, and we're trying to unpack boxes as much as we can. And I will show you guys a little bit of the apartment. So yeah, now I'm just gonna do some vacuuming. We bought a really cool vacuum. Like, this is what my life has come to. Before I would be like, oh, I'm going Black Friday shopping to get some clothes at Zara. Now I'm like, nope, I'm going to Home Depot to buy a vacuum. So we bought this heavy duty intense vacuum. It was on sale. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the bad boy that we bought. Like, who gets excited over a vacuum purchase? But this vacuum is so freaking strong. It comes with a bunch of attachments, and I'm telling you, it suctions up the carpet. Like, it basically pulls the carpet up. It is epic. So let's get to do some vacuuming. Okay, so vacuuming is done. I worked up a sweat. Now I just really quickly want to show you guys the place, like a condo tour, and let you guys know like what we're gonna be doing to the place, because we are actually making a lot of changes. I guess we're kind of mini renovating it. So yeah, let's do a quick apartment tour. So when you walk into the apartment, there's either 2 doors. So we have a front door on this side, and then you also have a similar front door on this side as well. We just have some garbage. We also threw down these drop sheets because we're doing painting and things like that and patching. So right here is just like our little entrance hallway. You can see the kitchens right ahead. So like I said, Justin is actually patching and I'm gonna help him paint the whole place. So you can see right now the walls are builder's beige, which I hate builder's beige. It gives a really yellow tone and it's just dull. It's not inviting. It's pretty standard in a home, but wherever you see like these little white patches here, these are just mud patches. So on our first day, yesterday I didn't film it, but Justin already started patching the walls. So basically he's fixing any of the dents, cracks, or imperfections in the wall so that when we paint over it after he sands it, it's gonna be perfect. So he did all the corners, so you'll see a lot of this. He did it here. He's done like all this little entryway. I love how open concept it is. So anyway, that's what that is. So when you come down here, this will be our living room, dining room area. You just come down the hallway, and then you have the kitchen. So we have an island here. Where this credenza is, that's not going to be there. I do have 2 bar stools that are probably coming tomorrow. They're really nice. I will show you guys them. So we're going to have bar stools right there. We have the dishwasher. We have our fridge, an oven. If I get the kitchen from this angle, you can kind of see the kitchen's a really good size for 2 people. A lot of the places we looked at had insanely small kitchens and it just was not on cleaning products because I am a clean freak. I'm wiped down the inside of every single cabinet before we moved our stuff in, and outside too. Like, I was Lysoling to the heavens. Okay, and then from the kitchen, you can see it's all very open concept. We have these nice big windows. So this is kind of like our split. So we're gonna have our dining area and then our living area. If you guys had seen this part of the house yesterday, like before midnight, It was all boxes and all the furniture was not rearranged. Like everything was just everywhere. Nothing was arranged anywhere. And I fell asleep, not gonna lie. We had some wine last night and I woke up, it was 2 a.m. and Justin had rearranged the furniture. So he kind of made our living room and our dining area. Like he separated it, he moved all the boxes, he organized so much and it looks so much better. So I'm so excited to show you guys. So yeah, over here we have a balcony. As you can see, it's snowing outside. This is gonna be our little, oh hey guys, this is our little dining set right here. We're gonna probably move that out into the middle. This is one of the piece de resistance. This is a mirror that I found at HomeSense, you guys. I'm obsessed. It is huge. It is taller than me. It's wide. You guys are gonna see a lot of OOTDs in this mirror. Over here, this is gonna be our TV stand, which is actually not staying here because obviously this is the island. The bar stools will go there, but it's here for now until we finish the accent walls. So decor wise, anything you guys see here that is builder's beige, which is all the walls basically, everything is going to be painted white. We bought white paint. We want white because first of all, white's really fresh, it's modern. And then we've decided to do accent walls throughout the place. So to give it a little bit of something fresh, a little bit of something different, to kind of pick out so it's not just like bland white. So over here we have what is going to be our living area. This is a couch that my parents actually gave to us. This used to be in our house in England and it's from Harrods, so it's very sentimental to me, but it's perfect because I didn't think I wanted a black couch. I really thought I was gonna go with like a cream or gray couch, but like our countertops are black, our appliances are black, the credenza here is black, and because the walls are white and we've chosen to do gray accent walls in here, I think it's gonna work really perfectly. So this is gonna look a lot more inviting once I get some like gray fuzzy pillows and cream pillows and like throws on here. Our TV and credenza is gonna go here, and this is our accent wall, which isn't finished. This is what Justin put on it last night though. When I woke up, I came in here and I saw this. So basically this is gonna be black and white marble. So it's not finished, but you can see like the swirls. So yeah, there's the hallway. I'm making this tour way longer than it needs to be. So then you come down this hallway to where the bedrooms are, and there is a powder room. Here is where the majority of our boxes and our stuff is right now that we still have to unpack later this week. So coming back, you have our bathroom. Here's our bathroom. It's a really nice sized bathroom. Again, a lot of storage. Nice large mirror. We have to put up our shower curtain. End of the hallway here, I thought I was gonna put that large mirror from HomeSense, and so then we realized when we came that the light switch, there's a light switch here and also at the beginning for the end of the hall. So we can't really put the mirror there, although it would be awesome. So we're probably gonna put like a picture up there once it's painted and like decor. And then on the right side, this is our bedroom. So the bedroom is a nice size. Again, I'm gonna order us a headboard, huge wardrobe, which is awesome. Our little end table, and then closet, which I've already started filling with my stuff. This is a nice big closet. I wasn't sure my stuff was gonna fit. I've got all my winter sweaters. I've got my going out clothes, and then my coats back there, and nothing is overlapping. I still have a lot of space, plus there's space up here, which I have to fold this stuff. And again, in here we're doing white walls, and then we have a dolphin gray accent wall that we're doing, which is gonna look so good. Again, I love grays. And then in here is our second bedroom. And again, this one's just a little bit smaller, but you can see Justin's already got the ladder and everything in here because he's starting with this room painting it tonight. So I will show you guys him in action on what he's doing. But then again, you just have the closet. And yeah. So yeah guys, that is the condo right now. I'm gonna show you guys when I get more decor bits. We will be decorating for Christmas eventually too. There's just a lot going on with unpacking right now. I'm really just cleaning, and we really just want to get the walls painted so we can lift the drop sheets off the ground and we can have everything perfect how we envisioned it, and then we can start doing more decor bits. So yeah, we're gonna be unpacking, and that is that. I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video because this one has gone on for too long. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next Vlogmas.